I'm Shantoria.
And I'm DJ.
Hi, I'm Michaela.
Hi, I'm Ethan.
I'm Anthony. Wazam.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm Mia. And I'm Blanca.
Hi, my name is Chris.
Hi, I'm Miss Herrera.
And we're Team 2.
And we are part of the Teen Leadership 2 class at Morton Ranch High School.
In Teen Leadership 2, we take the skills that we learned in Teen 1 and apply them to our community.
Every semester, each class is required to do a service project to help feed our community. We decided to do hygiene projects for the homeless.
Helping Hands was designed to address the need for better hygiene in our community.
Not everyone in our community has easy access to hygiene products and good sanitation. So as a teen leadership group, we decided to take action.
We figured personal care items are a luxury not everyone gets to have, which is why we wanted to collect them.
We made posters that we're going to put in the hallway.
We placed bags that were in Castle Rock that help people, and some people donated hygiene items that really cared about our project, and it really helped us, and it really made us have a good project that was memorable. And
when we first started this project, we were unsure of where we get our donations from. Our first option was to get our donations from our school.
Secondly, we wanted to extend our donations outside of school, so we placed bags in different houses in the Castle Rock neighborhood.
This project started April 21st to the 28th.
We decided to donate to the Star of Hope.
the Star of Hope helps people with education, substance abuse, and recovery, and also through people who need financial aid and can't afford hygiene supplies or cleaning products.
The 2017-2018 Teen Leadership class would like to thank the following people.
We'd like to thank Fiesta for loaning us the bags which we use to take our collections.
Our community for donating.
And the teachers here at Morton Ranch High School for keeping our collection boxes in their classrooms.
And Ms. Williams for letting us use your room and equipment. Thank you.
Go.
My children. There you go. Heck yeah. I'm at Victoria. We're at the park.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. I mean, unless my mom comes in there like guns blazing, it's like.
Buster.
So we're out.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
TL2!
here we go. That's the sound of leadership.